So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
Hey honey, what do you want for your birthday?
Oh, I'm glad you asked, honey. Actually, an iPhone 7 would be great because the antenna lines on the iPhone 6 are pure cancer!
An iPhone 7? I can't afford that. What am I gonna do? Happy birthday!
Hey, oh my god, are you serious? You seriously got me one. No way. Wait, why is it wrapped in printer paper? That is so minimalistic. Nothing useful over here. This is definitely an iPhone 7. All my contacts are already synced for my old phone, and it comes bent. This is amazing. Thanks, honey.
Anything for you.
Hey look, they removed the audio jack. Isn't that cool?
Yep. You like that?
Yeah, well, I mean, there's a lightning adapter, so I can still use my headphones, I just can't charge my phone at the same time. But, like, now I get to choose, right? Like, do I want to listen to music or charge my phone? You know, before, it was just like, do it all, you know? Stupid. Oh, by the way, have you heard the stereo speakers on this thing? They are amazing. Check it out.
Yeah, 2 shitty speakers really makes a difference.
Did it just die? Wow, they've really improved the battery life. But you know what's great is that they've actually engineered the 7 to be just as functional when it's off.
That's a feature.
And it's waterproof now, so check this out.
No. I mean, remember the phone that I have, this waterproof? I got it 2 years ago. I've already seen that. I can't do this anymore. Honey, the truth about your iPhone 7 is that
it's exactly the same as the iPhone 6, but shittier.
Is that it wouldn't be complete without a pair of AirPods.
Oh, no way, seriously? Get out. These look so cool. Alright, be honest. How do I look?